This one is letter is dal. Dal. So moving next letter is dal.
Dal.
Yes. Do you know how many dots zal is about it?
Yes.
Can you tell me how many dots zal is about it?
1.
1 dot. Next one is raw. Raw.
Ra.
Yes, raw pronouns a full mouth.
Ra.
Raw pronouns a full mouth. Raw has some exception. It may be bold or light. So I explain you in the lesson number 3 when we will read raw is bold, when we will read raw is light. Okay.
Okay.
So next letter is za.
Za.
Yes, za is a hard letter. Za is a 1 dot above it. So moving next word is jim dal.
Nimbal.
Jim dal.
Jim Dal.
Yeah, it's white, red color letter and the pink color letter is the jim. Jim is a 1 dot underneath. This is the half shape of the jim, and black one is dal. Okay, dal is a 0 dot. There's one jim dal. Okay, so moving next word is khazal.
Khazal.
Yes, kha is a 1 dot above it. Okay, its pink color letter is a kha and black color letter is a zal. Khazal. Okay,
Okay.
so moving next one is jim ra.
Jim Ra.
Yeah, jim, this is the half shape of the jim. And its pink color letter is a jim. Jim is a 1 dot underneath always, and its black color letter is a ra. This is the full shape of the ra. Jim ra.
Jim Ra.
So moving next word is khaza.
Khaza.
This is the half shape of the kha, and kha is a 1 dot above it. This pink color letter is a kha, and kha is a bold letter. Bold letter. There are 7 bold letters. These letters are pronounced with heavy and strong voice. Okay? Kha, sa, da, ta, za, ghain, and kha. This is bold. Okay? So its
Okay.
black one is za. Khaza.
Khaza.
So moving next one is yara.
Yara.
Next one is tara.
Tara.
Ta, the 2 dot above it. Its white one is da and black one is ra. So moving next one is mim dal.
Dal.
Mim dal. Mim dal.
Mim Dal.
Yes. Its pink one is mim and black one is dal. So moving next word is kaf zal.
Tazal.
Yes, its pink one is calf. This is the half shape of the calf, and black one is zal. Calf zal.
Tazal.
Yes, so moving next word is faro.
Tara.
Yes, its pink one is fa and black one is ra. Moving next one is mimza. Mimza. Yes. So now repeat it again. So tomorrow only these 3 lines your lesson. Okay.
Okay.
Dal,
Dal.
dal,
Zal.
ra,
Ra.
za,
Za.
jim dal,
Jim Dal.
khazal.
Qadal.
No, khazal.
Khazal.
Jim ra,
Jim Ra.
khaza,
Khaza.
ya ra,
Yara.
tara,
Tara.
mim dal,
Mim dal.
Kaf zal,
Kaf zal.
Fa ra,
Ba ra.
Mim za.
Mim za.
So it's your homework. You have to practice at home next tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.